If you've watched a few of my videos, you must have heard me say that school food disturb my kids. And you must have heard me also say that I'm planning to stop them from eating it. And this year, I have finally gotten the courage to do it. It was hard at first because I was like, how am I gonna, fix their breakfast and then fix lunch for them to take to school? It's all about determination. It's all about thinking of the future. Remember, parenting with the future in mind is all about, listening to them. My daughter keeps complaining that her tummy hurts. She can't poop very well. She sometimes forgets the last time she poops. So this is why I started giving my kids food to take to school. Hello there. Welcome to my channel. My name is Lufon, and today I would like to once again invite you to my kitchen because I want to share with you breakfast and lunch ideas for parents that their kids go to school. I have a daughter that always complains that she feels, constipated when she eats school food. And she has been complaining this for like 2 years. And this school year, I told myself, I am not going to let you eat school food anymore. I mean, sometimes she will even forget the last time she used the bathroom. And as a mom, I will be worried. I'm like, you're supposed to use the bathroom every day. You're supposed to poop every day because you eat every day. So, and whenever she does that, she blocks the toilet. And that didn't sit well with me because that's not healthy. She can't be going to the toilet like twice a week because of what she eats at school. So I remember saying in one of my videos that my family and I, we are going through healing journey. And I do a lot of bone broth. This is one of it. Because we are we are constantly cleansing our body and also eating something healthy. If you watch my cooking videos and shopping videos, you see that I do a lot of organic foods. Not because I have a lot of money, but because of our health. Because a large number of sickness in this country, nowadays, is because of what we put into our body. It's because of, the chemicals that is used to spray on food. So it was like a few years ago that I moved to this country that I noticed that food is of two types, regular and organic. And organic is, seen to be the best option, the natural, while the regular is, whatever. So I am very, very particular about what my kids eat and what I also give them. That's why I came up with this school year. I will put into work making sure that I make breakfast for you guys to eat in the morning and also take lunch to school. So my kids take lunch to school and they also eat as well in the morning. So this video is to share with you what I give them in case you are interested, because I know I'm not the only mom that noticed that and that, doesn't like that. I use the bathroom, I poop every day. My kids should poop every day, and it should be a normal flow, not the one that they will have to, before it comes out. When it comes out, it blocks the toilet. I cannot tell you how many times my kids have blocked the toilet. So let's get right into the video. So day one is meat pie with berries. So I would be sharing 5 days of what my kids takes to school in a week. And I'll also be sharing a few bonuses so that you can be swapping what they eat. So what I do is that I prep my food and put in the fridge so that it will be easy for me to give them to take to school. So this is meat pie that I've already made and put in the fridge. And during the week, I will just take it. Some days I warm it, some days I will just put it like that because in their lunchbox, it's going to be warm. So, and they will eat it during lunch. I put strawberries and blueberries. I try to put fruit in their lunchbox, helping them to digest food easily and also use the bathroom easily. I try to balance their food daily. Lunch is ready. Bon appetit.
Day 2 is jollof rice with watermelon. Guys, jollof rice is our legendary food. We are Nigerians, and this is a popular food in Nigeria, and it's very, very yummy. So, like I said, I have already prepped it and put it in the fridge. So, days like this, I just warm it up, put it in their lunchbox, and they take it to school. So here I'm showing you the container. I'll use it, then put it back in the fridge for next time. When it's finished, I make another one and store it just like that. So today they're going to take watermelon as fruit. Once again, the fruit helps them to, digest the food easily. So for some reason, my kids just love me cutting it with the back. They just want to hold it and eat it like big kids. Day 3 is moi moi with mango. Moi moi is a traditional food as well. And if you watch a few of my videos, I've showed you how, I came up with this. But this time around, it's made with leaf, plantain leaf. Whew, how I love making it with plantain leaf, because the flavor from the plantain leaf gives it, a whole new taste and takes it to a whole new level. So they are having moi moi with mango. Once again, moi moi is made from beans. It's similar to what Hispanic call tamales, but this one is made from beans and it's very, very healthy. So I cut the mango into their small containers, fruit containers. I try to make sure that they eat our local food and American food, but making sure that they can eat both. And it is homemade, healthy, made with love, made with organic ingredients, and most importantly, is good for their health. Also, to minimize spending too much, I use 1 mango for my 2 kids. So I package it and we are done for the day. So for day 4, we are going to have pizza with grapes. This pizza, I've already made it a day before, put it in the freezer, and the following morning I just take it out and put it in the oven. And after 15 to 20 minutes, it's done, and I take it out and cut it for my kids. So I will leave it out for it to cool down before I put it in the plate. After a few minutes, I put it into their lunch plate. Then I brought out grapes. This time I'm using red grapes for them to have it as fruit, and they take it to school. So for my pizza, I make it myself. Everything I give to my kids to take to school are homemade. I try to make sure I know what is in my food so that when they eat it, as a mom, I will not feel guilty that I'm giving them bad food. So I make everything from scratch, from flour to everything is organic, to the cheese, to the pepperonis. Everything are organic, including the fruit that they take to school. So that's it for day 4. So day 5, we have spaghetti with apple. The spaghetti, I made it the night before, so I just warm it up in the morning and they take it to school. I try to make sure that they eat healthy and also not stressing me out. So the food that they're going to take as lunch is already made, is already prepped. Then the food they're eating in the morning, I always make that one fresh. So, if you're a mom, you will agree with me that it's going to be hard making fresh food every day. So prepping is the idea behind them taking lunch to school. So I started putting memory verses in my daughter's lunchbox so that when she opens it, she has her word for the day, that will keep her, encourage her during school days. So this is a bonus that I'm going to add for days that you're tired and you just want to give them something quick. So it is peanut butter sandwich with mandarins. Even though I try to cook all my meals, but guys, we all have those days that we just can't, warm things. But we just want them to have something to eat. So peanut butter sandwich is a great idea for that. And I throw in a few mandarins into their lunch boxes. And they love it. They even like eating peanut butter sandwich most days, and they are fine. They enjoy eating it. And most times I do okra soup. I remember my daughter coming back from school and saying, "Oh, their teachers say that the okra soup was so healthy." And most days I do crackers, cheese, and pepperonis for them. This portion of the video is for breakfast ideas. So some days we do waffles, homemade. Other days we do plantain with eggs, fried ripe plantains with eggs, scrambled eggs, and they enjoyed it, which is a nice protein. And other days we do pancakes. Yeah, they have pancakes in the morning. And we also do toasted bread with cheese and pepperoni. So this part of the video is to help you know what you can give them to eat in the morning. They don't have to eat school food. Anything public, to me, is not healthy. School food is like public food. So they just mass produce, and man, that doesn't sit well with me. And no wonder it was affecting them. So now they are pooping very well, no problem, no stomach problem. They are eating good because I know what goes into their bodies. So if you are still here, I would like you to give me a like. Subscribe to the channel for more goodness. Thank you so much. I appreciate your support. So I will, cut it for them, and they will have this for their breakfast. Imagine giving them something warm and healthy and fresh. Their tummy will thank you for that. Also, we have a bowl of cereal, and once again, I use organic cereals. The ones they give them at school, number one, is not organic, and number two, it has multiple colors. Those colors are not healthy. And I also use organic milk to give them a wonderful breakfast in the morning. And also want to share this with you, my fruits: blueberries, mandarins, bananas, grapes, apples, strawberries, and organic pear. They are all organic fruits.
So I hope you like those ideas, and I hope you're going to do it. Try to have fun with it, and especially for the fruits, use what you have. For example, in the US, we have strawberries, we have blueberries, we have berries in general, but in my own country, Nigeria, we don't have berries. But we have pineapples, we have mangoes, we have oranges, we have guava, we have apples, we have what is called star apple, and it's also not here. So I hope you enjoy it, have fun with it, but make sure you help your family to eat healthy. My policy is what I am able to control, as in what I give my family to eat. It has to be healthy, it has to be organic. Not because I am so crazy about organic, but because of our health. I hope you're going to think of giving your kids healthy meals to take to school, and also cooking it. So thank you so much for watching. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, let me know your thoughts below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.